This is Monique from Toyota of Melbourne. I had seen that you were shopping online, looking at a new Tacoma that we currently have in our certified pre-owned inventory, and I found her. I just wanted to take a second and show you this super awesome low price we have on this beautiful 2018. I thought it'd be a great fit for you, and I wanted to get you a little up close and personal with it and make sure that you absolutely loved it. Upgrade rims, running boards already added to it. She's ready to go and hit the road. Only has not even 1,500 miles on it. Great buy. What a steal. Nice interior color as well, the accent in it. You smell that? Well, of course you can't, silly, but it's still got a new car smell, so I'd love to set up a time for you to come on by and take it for a test drive. Integrated backup camera. Got XM radio, app suite as well. Just wanted to see if this was something that you were interested in. We definitely have tons of options. Love to set up a time. Feel free to give me